Hi guys, this is Karthi. Today I am going to explain about circular queues. Now we first create header file as include stdafx.h as include iostream using namespace std int n, initializing n, create a class called circular queue and initializing the and make it as a public int. Now initializing f queue of 10 array and count, make it as a public now create one function circular queue. In the circular queue, then the function of circular queue will declare r is equal to 0, f is equal to 1, count is equal to 0, and void insert function will be created. Void insert in the parameter element, int element will be passes within that insert function. Within that info function, f equals to f plus 1 and f equals to f percentage n and q of f equals to element, count equals to count incremented to count plus plus, and then we will display then if I in the display. Next, initializing the delete function. In the delete function, int c1 equals to q of r, and if cout if condition will be applied, if count less than equals to n, then r equals to r plus 1 and r equals to r percentage n, count minus count, it will be decremented. It's a return of c1 will be returned, bracket close. Then if count less than equals to n, it's false, it will come on to the else part. Within the else part, display one statements using cout. Q is empty. The cout q is empty, bracket close. Next, in another function we call it as display function. Within the display function we initialize the c equals 0, and we applied the for loop for int I minus r c less than count, and I equals I percentage n here, and c plus plus c will be incremented. After the for loop, printed some statement c out q of I will be displayed. I will be after they displayed q of I will be incremented. Again for loop will be run. In the main the void main, circular q, it's a class name, dot object will be created, c object will be created using the class name. Now we initialize the int m, and in the cout statement, using cout statement, we printed some statements. Enter the array size. The array size will be enter the array size. Statement will be displayed, and c in array size will be stored in n, and another cout printf statement, pre-out statement, enter the array elements, enter the array element. This statements also displayed on the screen. After enter the array elements, for loop will be applied for int I equals 0 and I less than n, I plus plus I will be incremented. In the c in part, m stored in m, c dot insert object dot insert function will be called, and m parameter will be passed, in the element will be inserted to the array. Cout array elements are now we display the array elements. What are the array elements are inserted using object dot display function. So c dot display, and now delete some numbers using the delete function, calling the delete function object dot delete function, delete c dot delete and c dot delete. Two element will be deleted. Next we will display one cout statement. After deleting the elements, what are the numbers or will be, what are the elements are present. Now current what are the elements are presented, we will display using the display function c dot display. Next another cout statement, Next, another cout statement. Enter the element to be inserted. C in M, it will be stored in M, and C dot insert function will be called insert. In the insert, M parameter will be passed, and C out. Finally, one statement after inserting the elements. After inserting the elements, what are the elements are presented in the array, that will be showed using the calling the display function. So C dot display here. Now enter program will be closed. To build a program, here build solution, it will find some errors. Successfully built, no errors will be occurred in the program. Now we debug start without debugging the project. Now it is the display, and enter the size of the insert 4. Enter the array elements 2, 3, 4, 5. Array elements are below. After deleting, display the elements are like this. Thank you for watching.